Do not allow your health freedom to be censored. If the leader of the free world can be censored, then you could be censored. The media wants to silence all opposition. They want to cancel and defund all who differ with their viewpoint. They see your support of freedom and civility as a crime. They see your kindness as a form of weakness. Their agenda is to now use their authority to destroy your health freedom. They do it by using violence, false teachings, unlawful commands, theft, and an attitude of superiority. They do not see you as equal. They do not recognize your diversity. They do not acknowledge your individualism. They do not care for your ideas of self-governing. They do not believe in your ability to maintain self-control, period. They do not seek unity with anyone who has different ways of thinking. The same people who would frame, impeach, investigate, and openly hate a sitting president would also call you evil, racist, bigoted Uncle Tom, homophobe, xenophobic, pedophobic, Satanist, blood-drinking, baby-eating, Jaime Fritz, hick cracker, country ghetto, trash, N-boy. Obviously, this could go both ways. It's just what they call each other. It's the same way the medical doctors call chiropractors quacks and frauds. It's the same strategy. History repeats itself. Their strategy then was to outlaw chiropractic. Use authority to crack down upon the freedoms of health choice. The same false authorities will now dictate that their injectable medication is the only way to be secure in their dark future for the world. First, they use celebrities and high-profile people with prestige in the community to create a cultural mandate. But if too many people refuse the medication, they will use their authority to mandate it legislatively. Many people have contacted me asking, how can I still believe in a future with health freedom? How could I still believe? And so my heartfelt answer is in my belief in the core American values, which no matter who is in charge, we must always adhere to, because these principles are fundamental truths which flow from the inside of you. The American core values. You have an inalienable, inborn right to choose your health care. You have a right to refuse injectable medications. Ask your guide at your local chiropractor to adjust you. I invite you to start getting adjusted now. There is a fountain of health that flows from inside of you. You can open your body-mind connection with the power of chiropractic. And because it opens you to increased energy flow and improved circulation, it opens up your range of motion, not just physically, but mentally. Freeing your mental energy allows health to manifest from within so that you can live a life of liberty. There is a force within you, within your natural design, which can self-govern the functions of your entire being. There is a natural equilibrium which your body constantly seeks, because some systems of your body work more independently, but each part interdependent. Yes, self-reliant. They're unique roles, yet working together as one. Even now, through this video, we can come together in the name of that innate intelligence that works within you. So you can choose health freedom, because it's only you who can blink your eyes. Only you who can move your tongue. It is you alone who can make your hands work. It is only you who can focus your mind. Know and learn your principles. The truth that we see in our world is universally true, and that's why it works within your body. So take rest this weekend. Have a good weekend. Things are going to happen that need to happen. In the meantime, let us remain in a posture of health and faith, because it's in these trying times that fear can come in to subvert your faith. Do not let them censor your health freedom.